Hi everyone, this is Steve from Bestmile speaking. Welcome to this short video. Today we'll talk about what's going on in Microtransit and the up and coming revolution in public transport. So let's get started. Public transport has long been based on very rigid networks with fixed lines, fixed stops and fixed schedules, where demand has to adapt to supply. In the quest for more personalised and efficient transportation services, on-demand mobility is getting more and more attention. Public transport operators are now looking into services where supply can be adapted to demand. These services are called Microtransit or DDRT, Dynamic, Demand, Responsive Transit, or even Uber for vans, with paid drivers and a private fleet. On-demand transit services are tough to get right, because empty vehicles are expensive, so operators need to maximise the utilisation of every mile, every kilometre for every vehicle. It's been proven to be viable when the service is properly designed, using demand data to get the right fleet size, the right locations, and to move people with fewer vehicles with predictable performance for operators and travellers. With careful fleet orchestration, the ability to automate dispatching, ride matching and routing to efficiently match riders with vehicles in real time, controlling utilisation and convenience thresholds. It may sound simple, but it is not easy at scale. Fielding hundreds or thousands of ride requests and always sending the right vehicle to the right place at the right time is operationally very complex. Convenience and predictability are the king and queen of mobility services. Operators need to be able to control convenience by monitoring fleet size, location and capacity and balance these factors against utilisation thresholds. They also need to display very accurate ride times and wait times to travellers for predictability. COVID-19 might be Microtransit's moment. As demand for mass transit has evaporated, many cities are turning to Microtransit, some scrapping fixed route bus lines entirely. They can right-size their services and provide a safer experience by controlling bookings to limit the number of passengers per vehicle to ensure social distancing requirements are met. Services and vehicle capacity can be expanded as demand grows. Many cities and operators are starting to convert part of their traditional bus networks to Microtransit, or using Microtransit for first and last mile services to connect with mass transit. They are using fleet orchestration to efficiently match supply and demand, which will enable them to scale. Thanks very much for listening. I'm Steve from Bestmile.